It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with what I believe to be a 12-inch round canvas, pre-primed and dry. And I'm going to do weird things. I'm going to put some Meeden around the outside of my pillow paint. Don't ask me why. The pillow paint will probably swallow it. Maybe I'm just going to be weird out of the gate. And put some Meeden in the middle as well. But I know I need a fairly decent puddle in order to make paint move. And it's not the fastest process in the world doing it this way. No wonder people pour out of large containers. I see I have one bubble there. Okay, so I am going to put some Meeden black in the center. I don't want any more pillow paint. I do want to use my hot orchid. No, I'll restrain myself. I'm going to use some Mayan gold in a moment, right after the poinsettia. Am I? Hard to decide. Okay, so I'm going for the poinsettia. It's a fairly large canvas, so I feel like a copious amount of paint would not be misplaced. I'm going to grab a little bit of new color Platinum Rose I just started using recently. It's kind of bland for me, but it goes well with everything else, so I'm not going to complain. I just made up some some Twilight Orchid. Surprised there isn't a color called Wild Orchid, but it would probably still be purple. I made my own orange out of Tuscan Sun. Do I really want that in there? I'm not sure. I think I'm going back to Pink Diamond. That's Hot Orchid. Here's my Pink Diamond. Although, you know what? There is another color I want. And I've been enjoying, yes, Pink Dahlia or Pink Lady. That's Ambrosia. Wait, I can find this. There's Pink Lady. And maybe I'll hit it with my Mayan gold anyway. I think I shook this, but I better be safe than sorry. I'm going to try and use my little blow dryer and my bigger blow dryer. So like I said, this is the Pink Lady. I'm hoping these colors are okay. They look a little odd to me. But I'm not used to doing the blooms, and the one thing I have noticed about the blooms is the odder the colors, the more interesting the result. That is the Pink Diamond, which I kind of wish I had more of. But we'll see how I feel about that. I never did use any orange. I'm going to do it. It doesn't come out very bright. I'm waiting for the actual orange to show up. Still. Oh, I think I'm going to like that. And I'm going to use Cell Activator made from Amsterdam Black. Not sure if it's the oxide or the lamp black. Come on. Ooh, I found high. It's like the first time I've used that. Alright, so See how the spinning goes. If I want any other colors. Oh, that's interesting. It's like I'm playing Frisbee. I kind of want some other colors, and I'm thinking that I'm going to use some Chantilly. I'm thinking I should shake everything. And I did just put a pipette down here. I'm kind of thinking, let's hope I can rectify that. Not sure about my colors. I have some peacock that I shook earlier. And I'm thinking I'd like something stark with that. So put my finger over the top and use the frozen. And add a little bit of, I'm going to go for the purple cell activator. That was a lot. And that just reminded me that I should be being willing to drag some marks down and send some out again. I am super not sure about my colors this time. Not sure what to do about it either. Maybe I should just go back to my original plan to use some hot orchid, which does tend to bleed, but would be okay with me. I'm here, you're here, I might as well play. It's been a while since I used it too. I've never just tried to blow with the little blow dryer. Not my forte, but it's not going to keep me from trying. Trying to remember that the house paint leaves little tails. Call them mouse tails. I want some Fandango. And I want to do something with my center, and I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. A little more house paint. Some Fandango in a couple of places. I think I'm going to go for some of the frozen with that, and maybe a little white cell activator. I'm not giving up until I give up. I really want a bunch more gold. And maybe some real orange. Yeah, I think that's going to help me out. Be helpful if I opened it. And try a little more poinsettia. I was inclined to use some frosted berry, and maybe that would be a better idea. That's a little bit brighter and lighter than the platinum rose I used. Go back to the pink diamond. And hit it again. Oh, I've got orange cell activator, which is Aussie Floetrol and orange unicorn spit. Oops, that was a lot. but I like the orange. I'm not sure I'm very good with this dryer yet, but you never know until you practice, right? And part of me just wants to tip. Because I'm not super impressed with my skills as a bloom artist yet. I've got a ways to go before I get good at it. I really want to put that into a dish though. This could be interesting if I can get it to a point where I can figure out what I need to add to it. It wouldn't be the first time this has happened like this. I do like using the Maiden Black in there, even though it's a different viscosity. It does make me want to swipe. Oh, now I've got paint on my fingers. Let's just move that all the way across. It might be really cool. Still have paint flowing. I do tend to want to not have to throw away a lot of paint. So I do tend to use less than I'm supposed to pretty consistently. But I really think that if I add some more colors and swipe through, I might be pretty happy with what I get. And I could do that with a spatula too. I'm not unhappy. And I have paint that I can steal out of my dish and put back on the canvas if I so desire. I want to blow that. I have a tool. I like that little bit of green over there. I kind of like this. I'm so surprised. I didn't think I was going to like it. Let's see if I like it enough to keep all of it. I really think that I want to grab my spatula. And do a little transfer. Because honestly, why not? The paint is there. I might as well use it, right? And now I can get rid of it, and if I want to do something else, starting with putting those two things in the big square bucket, I can. Whoop, be careful. I've left everything in my way. How clever. Spiral number 1. This looks like it needs something to me. And that's the Hot Orchid. I know that white paint. Is house paint. So I'm going to take liberties. I was going to use some blue. Probably still should use some blue. Some blue velvet to be exact. And then maybe a little more Mayan gold. Let's try the same. Come on, off you go. I'm not used to that yet. Well, that's more interesting than it was for me. By far, actually. And you see I have a little bit of glop, but I don't think I care because it's going to take its time drying no matter what I do. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. Even when it's miraculous. Oh wait, I want something in there. I don't know if I have enough of a focal point, but I definitely have some more Chantilly lace. Some more hot orchid. And let's go for the orange. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Maybe we'll do that again. Maybe a couple more places, in fact. Chantilly lace. Hot orchid. Let's use a little bit of this Tuscan sun with unicorn spit. And the Aussie Floetrol with unicorn spit. They're too even. Okay, leave it to me to do that. I need 2 more flowers to keep an odd number going. Or actually, I've sort of got 4 already, so. They're not very round. I may run out of time. I think I'm going to grab that blue velvet. I think I'm going to do a simpler swipe next time. I keep thinking if I experiment with the order of colors long enough, something magical will occur to me. And I really think that this this unicorn spit. Okay, so I got 1 minute to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I have playlists with over 2,400 videos. I run a monthly drawing. You can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video on the end screen in the last 20 seconds. You can contribute through PayPal. You'll get an automatic invitation. I think I'm going to just pull out instead of pushing in. And that's kind of cool. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know I love you. And you inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for all the kind words and compliments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. And this is what it is.